Welcome back, Double Dippers, to another exciting Elmore family vlog here at Saratoga Springs Treehouse Villas. That's a really catchy name. Here's my family. There's my child. There's my wife. There's my mom holding my child. Is Daddy in the bathroom? Okay, we're going to take the tour this way for now. Here we have some fantastic, are these wine glasses? Is that, I know that there was like different sizes for all the different alcohols. Here's the plates, fully stacked up and sorted neatly. We got some Tupperware. Looky there. Sponsored by Anchor Hawking. That's weird. Okay. Cups. We got almost shot glasses here. Shot glasses. And then we got glasses for our scotch. That's all about the alcohol here at the Treehouse Villas. Silverware. Exciting. Okay. Do we have anything down here? Oh, yes, we do. We've got mixing bowls for all your baking needs. We have casserole dishes in case you need to make a casserole on vacay. We got another casserole back there, but we don't care about that. What's in this cabinet? Let's close that one. We got pots and pans. We got utensils of all different kinds. We got knives for all your different knife needs. We already looked in there. We got the fridge and a pull-out freezer. Dang, this is nice. We have dishwasher, which is slightly, it doesn't look clean, but that's fine. Keeping it rolling. We have our first bedroom. These come off the wall. These are supposed to be like trays for something. I don't know what for. We've got drawers for all your clothing needs. We've got sanitized and cleaned remotes for all your remote needs. We needed light. That's fine. We got the pack and play, and oh man, we've got a babe. We need to consult. What type of blanket is this?
Muslim wrap, blanket? Yeah, a muslin wrap blanket.
Cleaned. Yeah, it's got Mickey and Pluto and Goofy on it. The little blocks. We got your latch. Your latch. Okay, I guess that's for somebody else. Yeah, it's got a lock. Got a lock, so it's safe. I don't know why I guess to pull out the beds to clean them. Whatever. The pack and play, as we discussed. Oh man, we got even a freaking hamper here. Exciting stuff. I know. A table. Wow. I was expecting that to like be fake or hollow or something. I think they just like took a stump and rubbed some yeah, okay. Can we undo the windows? Oh, we sure as crap can. Okay, maybe not. The windows stay where they are. We don't mess with those. Phone. Freezer didn't close. You got your, what is it called? Not fuses, but yes. Your laundry room, complete with soaps. We got hypoallergenic Ecos laundry detergent. We've got our first bathroom right here. The light is already on in here. We're making progress. We got these lovely butterflies in here. Towels, fresh and clean. We've got our Mickey soap right here in Disney. So use soap, be safe. We've got our H2O Plus body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Everything you need right there. Do we have Disney branding on this towel? Does not look like it. It's a generic towel. That's a shame. I should get on that. We got the tub. You have to turn the handle to turn it on. I'm not going to do that. We've got our bedroom. And by ours, I mean Anna, Kona, and I's bedroom. Complete with is this a fool or a queen? Something like that. All right. We're losing momentum. We got the Holy Bible, brought to you by the Gideons. We've got a phone. Nobody there. Got a lamp. More windows that I probably don't open. This one doesn't because it's single pane. You got all your... That's a little loose. You got your charging station here for all your phone needs. We got drawers. We got endless drawers. All the drawers. We have no storage under the bed, so don't even look for that. We've got a secret passageway to nowhere. We are continuing our tour. I'm assuming my father is in the bathroom, but we're gonna find out. Got paper towels. How did I miss that? We got a microwave. We gotta be quiet. So we got our charging stations. We've got a lovely lamp. Got our drawers. A desk for all your business needs. A cane does not come with the room. A nightstand. All right. We've got the soaps. We got one of these mirrors that like enhances things. We've got fog glass window so you can kind of see out into the river there. We got towels. We got a fancy art thing. And lastly, but most of all, the tub. And this adjustable shower head. Pretty nice. Our soaps. Is this a bed?
Yes.
Got another bed.
Actually, it's pretty nice.
We've got, is this a bed? Oh yeah, it is. So many bed options. You could sleep in a different bed each night here. You got your Mickey Mouse table.
That's cute.
That's loose. Don't take off. Wait, is that intentional?
Yeah, they separate.
Oh, nifty.
No, it's supposed to be hooked.
No, yeah, those are definitely supposed to be together. Don't mind that. We got bar stools. We got a TV. We've got a Sony player of some kind. Receiver. With a cleaned remote. We've got another charging station in case you want to charge your phone in the middle of the floor. It's up to you. Dining room table. And did we cover this closet when we came in? No. We're going to do it now. What you've been waiting for. The cleaning closet. Got a vacuum cleaner, an ironing board, an iron, and a safe. All in one room. This is the exciting kind of content you look for in a double dip vlog. Cool. We have windows that need to be cleaned. We have the grill there that I covered on the way in. I'm not sure if you videoed that. And now, we have rest.